man. Man, that was the one, man. Ah. It's not like injection. Come on, man. This one is just the perfect relief. Man, I feel a lot better. I feel a lot better, man. I can easily go down, touch my toes.
This was your me.
I've never felt like this for a very long time.
What's going on? Talk to us.
Nothing much. You know, this is my first time to get adjusted, so or this is my first time to experience this.
Checked, basically.
Yeah, so I want to get the experience, how it feels.
So technically, you're not feeling any severe pain.
No, not really. But like I said, in my neck sometimes I do feel the snap or something, and my knees though. My right knees, I do feel pains there sometimes.
Okay. Your knees feel like you're 50, but you're only in your 20s, no 30s.
Yeah, I just got my 30s.
You just got there. You just got to your 30s, but your knees have reached the 50s. Is that balanced?
I don't know.
She said she answered for you.
I don't know what to say now. But I don't know why the knees keep hurting me though. I don't know, it's maybe because I'm riding bicycle.
Well, there's multiple things. When we look at the x-ray,
Okay.
we'll go into more details, okay?
Alright.
What do you notice?
What do I notice, right? That is in the bones. Nothing really.
You don't mean it.
But what I'm noticing is
You just said you.
This,
let's rewind. Say what do you notice? Nothing really. What I'm noticing is.
you know, this is like my first time really seeing like X-rays.
So you're
I
amazed.
really don't. Yeah. So what I'm actually even focusing on is different from what
you know you're beautiful on the outside. And this is what it means like. I'm not just beauty on the outside, I'm beautiful on the inside. You can improve this beauty, but
yeah,
it's still not too bad. Now, first thing is the straightness here.
Okay.
Your own is this is right side, this is left side, so it's slightly deviating.
Okay.
Now it's not severe or anything, don't start having panic attack.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can see the deviation. Also, if you look at the hips, pretty even. Look at the right side. If you look at these hips, which one is high?
This one is high.
Now,
Wait, is this mine?
Is this your name?
Look at these hips. Come on now. Oh my God. Now I notice a very, very big difference.
Now, remember I showed this to you.
Yeah.
When the hips are not aligned properly,
Okay.
it creates imbalance on one side and also short legs, which now puts more tension and stress within the knees because instead of
Short leg.
when we say short leg, it doesn't mean one leg is here, other one is here.
I get.
Short leg is very
Yeah.
So don't go home and enter prayer point because of your short leg. Relax.
How we doing, huh?
Let's get this started. Wait. So what is rolling around? This one box.
Oh, no. Jesus Christ.
Is Lord.
Yeah. Let's go.
Oh, goodness. My stomach down.
It's painful.
All this is equal. Relax.
Jesus.
He's Lord. You can come up.
Very good.
Is it painful?
It's not painful. It feels good. But you feel that
It's different, Abby.
yeah.
You
I'm standing as if
that
just
is
came out from the factory.
Which factory? Gosh. Face down. On your back, face up. Relax the head down.
Very good.
You come all the way down. I want your legs to touch the ground.
Jesus.
On your back, facing up.
My back, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah, just come down. So come down, I want your legs to touch the ground. You seen this one before? You seen it
Yeah.
So I just need to do,
Yeah.
bring your head up. I'll tell you what I'll do before I do it. Bring your head down. So I'll stretch. I'll make a quick adjustment. Okay. Bring your hand to your side. Bring it to your stomach. Back to your stomach.
Hey.
Keep your head down. Just take it.
Hey.
That's right. You can stand all the way. Wait,
This feels so good.
the last one was more intense.
Yeah. Well, this back, man.
Was the one.
Man, that was the one, man.
It's painful.
No. Oh, God. You keep thinking of pains. Stop thinking of pains. Just
I can't hear you. What did you just say?
stop thinking of pains, man. There's nothing like pain. Man. Feels so good.
It's more surprising than painful.
It's not like injection.
Eh.
Come on, man. This one is just the perfect relief for the body.
You feel light? You feel sore? How do you feel?
Man, I feel a lot better. I feel a lot better, man. I can easily go down, touch
You don't see
my
that.
toes.
Since this was your me.
As in, I've never felt like this for a very long time. I want like
What is like this?
ah
How would you describe like this?
like this, man. Like this, it means like I haven't felt like this since I left that teenage.
Like free.
Yeah, because when you're a child, it's a lot easier to do a lot of things. But now it's a little bit hard. But with this adjustment, come on, I can do everything.
And you didn't want to make a video. See all these things you're saying now. If you didn't make a video, who will know what your experience is
no,
like?
they won't understand my feelings.
Yeah.
Trust me.